Hey traders, today we are teaming up with the mighty Alligator Indicator to hunt down market moves. This clever tool doesn't just sound cool. It actually shows us when the market is quietly waiting, when it's starting to move, and when it's ready to strike with the price reversal. Think of it as our market compass pointing out when we should jump in. So let's take a quick look how this indicator works, and then we will start to find entry points thanks to that. So guys, how this indicator works? It consists of 3 moving averages, 2 red and 1 green. And the signal is the moment when, for example, the moving averages crosses both moving averages of red color from the bottom to the top. And after that, they continue to move further and diverge further from each other. Guys, this situation tells us that the trend has reversed and an upward movement is expected in the near future. So guys, in this case, we could open a deal up on the uptrend. Okay, similarly, when the average moving average crosses both red moving averages from top to bottom and they continue to move further and diverge further from each other, it indicates that the trend has reversed and a downward movement is expected in the near future. Guys, accordingly, in such a situation, we could open a deal down on a downtrend. Also, guys, of course, when using this indicator, do not forget about support and resistance levels. Also, pay attention to the overall current trading situation in general. Only a competent combination of technical analysis and indicator will give us a good result. Guys, please make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you different situations which really work, and also you will be able to see how I use Alligator Indicator, how I trade with it. Perhaps you will find it useful and interesting, so you can implement it on your own and earn with this indicator. Guys, let's get started. So my dear traders, in this situation, I suggest we immediately open 1 minute deal up, since we can see that there is a good confident uptrend at the moment. The price is approaching the resistance level. At the same time, guys, we can also see that moving averages have crossed. They continue to move further and diverge from each other. So this means that the price will move upward in the near future. So this is the upward movement that we will try to profit from. Guys, since the price is moving quite impulsively, I think that 1 minute will be enough in this case. Right now, we can see that confident, impulsive green candles are still forming, and so let's wait for the outcome. Join my private channel for free trading signals. Guys, that's amazing, because the price continued to move upward and we got the profit. Also, the resistance level was broken. The indicator was right because it suggested us a good entry point. Guys, I hope now you already understand how this indicator works with technical analysis, because such similar situations we are going to search today on the market. We will try to profit from them. Guys, as you can see, our first deal was successful, so let's continue. So guys, in this case, we also immediately open 1 minute deal to go down, since we see that there is a good confident downtrend here. The price is approaching the support level. Also, at the same time, there is very little space left to the support level. At the same time, we see that our entry point is confirmed by the indicator. We see that the moving averages have crossed, and after that, they continue to move further and further diverge from each other. For sure, the price will continue to move towards to the level, and I think that 1 minute here will be, guys, totally enough. Because, guys, as you can see, the price moving with confident, impulsive red candles. So let's wait for the end of our deal. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. Great, guys. The price continued to move towards the level. We got the profit here. So we have correctly managed to predict the further movement of the chart. Also, the indicator helped us in this. And guys, as you can see, the situations work out well. And so far, everything is going well. Let's continue. So guys, here at the bottom, we have support level. At the same time, we also see that at the moment there is a downtrend. The price is moving down and approaching our level. Also, at the same time, there is still room before the support level. So let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go down on the downtrend. Guys, at the same time, we also see that there was a crossing of the average moving, and they continue to move further and diverge further from each other. Thus, we understand that the indicator tells us that the downward movement is expected in the near future. It is on this downtrend that we will try to make a profit. I have also chosen 2-minute time frame with a margin of safety, guys, in case of consolidation or an upward reversal. As you can imagine, even during downward movements, there may be reversals in the opposite direction. So, taking all these things in our mind, we took such time. Guys, let's wait for the result. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Guys, that's amazing. As you can see, the price continued to move down to the support level. We got the profit here, and at the same time, 2 minutes was quite enough for us. Also, the indicator was right again and suggested us a good entry point. Guys, the price had a really good potential for going down, so let's continue, guys. Okay, guys, here at the top we see a resistance level. Also, we see that there was a rollback from the level. Then after the rollback, the price turned around and is approaching our level again. I suggest in this case to open a deal literally for 1 minute to go up. At the same time, we also see that the price has a good potential to go up. The main price lows are becoming higher. This means that it is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. Also, our entry point is confirmed by the indicator. We will try to make money on this upward movement, and it is also possible that this level will be broken, guys. And so, let's wait for the outcome. So, not bad at all. The price really continued to move up. Also, the resistance level was broken. Here we got a gorgeous and confident profit. Guys, also at the same time, as you can see, the indicator tips were again correct. And as you can see, with the help or with the tips of the indicator, we were making really good moves because we got the profit. So guys, as you can see, hints of the indicator plus technical analysis works so well. And so guys, let's continue. Okay, here we see the resistance level at the top. We also see that after the price retreated from the level, it entered the consolidation zone and moved in a certain range. Then, after the downward retreat, there was a reversal, and at the moment, impulsive green candles are being formed. At the same time, the moving averages also crossed. They continue to move further and are moving further away from each other. We also see that the overall price potential is going up. Guys, in this situation, I suggest to open 2-minute deal to go up on an uptrend. It is possible that the price will continue to move towards the level in the near future. We'll try to profit from them, from this upward movement. Guys, 2 minutes in this case we took in case we will have consolidation or downward retracement. So that's why I think this amount of time is totally enough, because recently there have been several strong upward green candles. Guys, let's wait for this. Excellent. The price really continued to move upwards, and as you can see, confident impulsive green candles were formed, and we managed to make money on this upward movement, guys. Also, 2 minutes were perfect for us. And also, guys, as you can see, the indicator was also right again. The price really had a good potential to go up. Guys, let's continue. Okay, guys, here we have a support level at the bottom. We can also see that there is a very confident downtrend at the moment. Red candles are mostly forming. The price is steadily approaching the level. However, there is still room for the support level. I suggest to open 2-minute deal down on the downtrend. Additionally, we can see that the indicator confirms our entry point. That is, the moving averages have crossed, and after that they continue to move further apart. Guys, this means that the price has a great potential to decline. We will try to make money on this downtrend. And so, my dear traders, I think we have to wait for the end of our deal and see what happens in the next 2 minutes. Great, my dear traders. So, as you can see, the downtrend continues to exist and we managed to earn on this movement. Okay, at the same time, 2 minutes were enough for us. And with the help of this indicator, guys, we were able to predict the further price movement. I think it's an amazing result. We have to continue, guys. So guys, here at the top we have a resistance level. Also, we see that after the consolidation zone, the price continued to move to the level. At the moment, there is a certain compression of the resistance level. Also, at the same time, we see that there was a crossing of the average moving and they continue to move further and diverge further from each other. Therefore, I suggest to open a deal here for 2 minutes up on the uptrend. It is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. We will try to make money on this upward movement, and I also took 2-minute time with a margin taking into account possible consolidation or a downward rollback, since we also see that the price has been moving in waves recently. Guys, that is precisely with all these movements that we chose such time. So guys, let's wait for the outcome. Okay guys, everything went not as I expected. As you can see, the price has entered consolidation and there was a rollback down. Unfortunately, our technical analysis didn't come true, but guys, let's not get upset. Sometimes it happens. We still have some funds on the deposit, so I just think we continue and find another situation. Okay guys, here at the top we have a resistance level. The price has already touched this level several times, and now after another roll down, a reversal has occurred. At the moment the price is moving up and approaching our level. Also at the same time there's still room before the resistance level. Also we see that the average moving has crossed and they continue to move further and diverge further from each other. So in this situation, let's just open a 2-minute deal to go up on the uptrend. Guys, since the price has a good potential for growth, it is possible that the price will continue to rise. We'll try to earn money on this upward movement. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the outcome. So guys, that's quite good. The price really is really, after a small consolidation, continued to move to the level, and here we got the profit. At the same time, 2 minutes were just enough for us, guys. We were able to predict the further price movement of the chart, and as you can see, the indicator also helped us. Guys, everything is going great. Let's continue. So I decided to open the next deal here on the same currency pair after some time. So guys, let's set a horizontal line at the lower values of these candles. We define a certain support level here. We also see that the price has pushed off from the resistance level and is moving down. At the same time, we can see that the moving averages are currently crossing. Guys, this means that it is quite possible that the price will continue to move down in the near future. And in this situation, I suggest to open a deal down for 2 minutes on the downtrend. We will try to make money on this downward movement. Guys, I hope that 2 minutes will be enough for us in this situation. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the outcome. Guys, that's amazing. The price continued a confident downward movement. Here we got the profit with you. As you can see, the indicator was right again and suggested us a good entry point. We were able to make money on this movement. And so, my dear traders, let's consider another situation on the market. Here at the bottom, we have a support level. Also, we see that at the moment there is a good and confident downtrend. The price is approaching our level, and at the same time, we also see that there was a crossing of the average moving, and they continued to move further and diverge further from each other. Guys, therefore, here we'll open a deal for 2 minutes down on the downtrend. The price has an excellent potential to go down. Recently, confident and positive red candles are predominantly formed, and this means that the price will probably continue to move down. Guys, right now we can see that an impulsive red candle has formed, so let's wait for the result, guys. Amazing. As you can see, the price is moving quite impulsively. After touching the support level, there was a rollback. Then after the rollback, the price turned around again and continued moving towards the level. And we were able to make money on this movement, guys. So the most important thing here is that we got the profit. And guys, as you can see, I already have almost $4,000 on my deposit. I suggest to open one more last deal for today. So guys, give me some time and we will continue. So guys, our last deal here at the top, we have resistance level, and in this case I suggest that we immediately open a 1 minute deal up on the uptrend. Guys, we see that recently the price moving up quite confidently with impulsive green candles. Also at the same time we see that there was a crossing of the average moving. They continue to move further and diverge further from each other. This tells us that in the near future the price will move up. At the moment the price is already broken through the level, and guys, this means that we are currently witnessing an upward impulse in the price at the moment of the level breakout. In such situation, 1 minute is usually sufficient, and we will attempt to profit from this upward movement and level breakout. So my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, our last deal, and it was also successful. As you can see, the resistance level was indeed broken. Confident impulsive green candles were formed. Guys, we were able to make money on this movement. Also, at the same time, the indicator was right because it suggested us a good entry point. So look at my deposit, guys. I already have more than $6,000 on my deposit. So I guess this is the end of our trading session. So my dear traders, today we had one unsuccessful deal. That's totally fine. Always remember that you have to keep some funds on deposit. Of course, it didn't stop me to finish all the session in profit. So yeah, most of our setups were successful. And as you can see, guys, Alligator Indicator kept pointing us towards strong entry points and of course helped us to track the next market moves. So guys, now you know how to combine this indicator hints and technical analysis, so your result will be amazing. So your next step is to turn on this indicator and try to find similar situations on the market which we had today. You will be able to trade with the knowledge you got from here, and the more you practice, guys, trust me, the success will follow. So guys, if you enjoyed this trading session, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are interested to see other strategies. Also guys, I have a close community where I share my trading signals. They are totally for free, and if you want to join us, you have to text me a code word signal on my Telegram. Don't forget to check my inbox because all the essential links and other information will be down below. And I wish you guys to have an amazing trading session on your own, and also I wish you to get a lot of profit. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.